today is the entry and exit points ulit, day 3. Okay. Blocks along the superficial energy circulation. So we have here a clinical example number 1, young backache following the cold exposure. Okay. The patient has a severe backache after sitting too long in the cold. He could hardly move. When treated with urinary bladder yang sedation, the pain did not improve. Remember, it improved when kidneyin was sedated with kidney 5. This is because the cold from exterior had increased the kidneyin, which blocked the energy flow, and then the energy in the urinary bladder could not pass through. Okay po, yun po. Tingnan niyo po yung diagram natin. Okay, yung may explanation sa susunod. This is like a traffic jam, which an obstacle in front of it. The black energy shows symptoms of yang excess as it is in a yang exterior meridian. But the pain does not respond to yang sedation. It responds to yin sedation of kidney, as removing the excess kidney yin will remove the black, and the energy in the urinary bladder meridian can then flow through, relieving the yang type backache. Okay po. Then we have here example number 2, holiday migraine or premenstrual migraine. So a patient, a young woman, suffers severe migraine headaches with shooting and pulsating pains. They always occurred on weekends, on holidays, or a few days before her periods. She had noticed that the headaches appeared gradually and rose to a high point over half day. If she exercised or went for a brisk walk at the time the migraine began, this could sometimes prevent the headache from worsening. This patient had a very young type of migraine. One would therefore expect this to occur because of excessive yang or a deficient yin. But the migraine started during the rest or at premenstrual times, which would be when the body holds on too much fluid and damp. This is a yin dominant situation. So my question, why does it cause a yang excess type migraine? So sa susunod pong slide yung explanation. So most migraine headaches are one-sided. It is the gallbladder meridian that runs forward and back several times, covering the side of the head. So there should be a yang excess in the gallbladder meridian at the time of migraine. And it comes on a time when the liver yin is higher than normal during holidays and premenstruation, when there is stagnation of blood and damp in the uterus. It is where the liver meridian covers this area in the perineum and the vertex. Yan nagkakaroon. The liver yang is high during stress and during breathing. And liver blood and yin grow during rest or on a holiday unless this is an activity holiday. Yan po. Doon siya nagiging active. Okay? Sa pag-holiday disease. So, another interesting observation is a yang headache that occurs in a yin situation does not respond to yang sedation. Yung kanina, yung sedation of gallbladder 38. It does, however, respond to yin sedation, which is the liver 2 sedation. Therefore, it is quite clear that this again is a traffic jam syndrome. Parang traffic ng mga sasakyan. As the liver meridian, which is ahead of the gallbladder meridian on the organ clock, becomes full of yin or blood, it blocks the gallbladder meridian from flowing freely. The gallbladder meridian has excess, which is called the traffic jam, and being an exterior yang meridian, it shows yang excess symptoms. Okay, let's go to the treatment. The treatment involves removing the block by sedating the liver yin. Recurrence of the problem could be avoided by preventing the liver yin or blood from stagnating. So, kailangan wala yun, stagnation. This means that such patients should engage in physical activity like sports, etc. while on holiday. Hindi yung lang, hayahay. And in premenstrual phase. And the liver function could be tonified with points UB18, the Bakshu points of the liver, and GB37, gallbladder 37, which is the low connecting point of the gallbladder.